Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017, which goes thus. A spring balance is 25 centimeter long when 5 Newton banks on it and 10 centimeter long when the weight is 10 Newtons. What is the length of the spring if the weight is 3 Newton, assuming Hooke's law is obeyed? By Hooke's law, we mean that the force exerted to compress or extend a spring is directly proportional to the distance you stretch. So if we change that proportionality to K constant, that is the spring constant, okay, times the amount of extension. So with this, we can have the constant equals force over the extension, and that will lead us into having the first instance of the extension, okay, equals to the second instance of the extension, okay. All right, so the first instance of the force when the 5 Newton, the 10 Newton was added to the 5 Newton, so we're going to have 15 Newton, okay, over the extension. There was an extension then, 30 centimeter. It's extended from 25 to 30 centimeters. So that means there was a 5 centimeter extension, okay. Then next, the force now dropped to 3 Newton. So we're going to subtract that from the previous weight, which was 10 Newton. So we're going to have 7 Newton over. Now the extension, the new extension, will now have to be, since there was a drop, we have to subtract 5 centimeter from the extension, which we don't know now. So we have that as x. All right, so now we can cross multiply, okay. So we have 15 times x minus 5 equals 5 times 7. That will give us 35, okay. So we can either open the bracket, let's open the bracket. So we have 15x minus 75 equals 35. So we subtract from both sides of the equation. We have 15x equals, we add 75 to both sides of the equation. So now we have this as 110. We go ahead to we go ahead to divide both sides of the equation by 15. Okay, so we have the new, that is, we have x equals 110 divided by 15 will give us 7.33. okay, good. So now that we have the new extended distance, 7.33 centimeter, we have to go to subtract it from the previous length, which was 30 centimeters. So we have 30 minus 7.33, and that will give us 22.667 centimeter, which could be rounded up to whole number, which will be 23 centimeters. So the answer option B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.